How to enable two-factor authentication on Depop.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to keep your Depop account safe from hackers or fake logins, enabling two-factor authentication is the best thing you can do. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer or your laptops and then type in Depop.com and search. Also make sure you're logged into your Depop.com account, and from the home page, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon. Now select the settings option from the menu and then go to two-factor authentication on the left. Toggle on the button right next to two-factor authentication to enable it, and on the next page, add in your phone number. First, select your country code and type in your phone number and click continue. After typing down your phone number, click continue, and on the next page, you'll receive a 6-digit code to your phone number via SMS. Go ahead and write it down in the text box. After you type in the 6-digit verification code, click on continue, and this will enable two-factor authentication on Depop account. After enabling two-factor authentication, your account now has extra protection. Enabling 2FA only takes a few minutes, but it is useful to protect your account, your money, and your personal information. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.